To add texture to your text, let's come over to the element tab on the object panel and we'll click on that, and you want to search for texture. Once you type in texture in the search bar, you click on search, and we are under photos. You want to go through the textures and see the one that you like. Whichever textures that grabs your attention, you want to open that. For me is this one. I'm going to click on this one and add it to my page. So now I want to select the background of my design and click on color, and I want to make that a different color. So now I'm going to go over to my apps here, and you want to search for type cutout. This is the app you're going to select, and if you click on this app, it's going to open up, and you want to select the image to use, or upload an image if you have an image. So I'm going to select this one and click on use selected image, and I want to come here to the text and type. I've typed in my text. Now you want to choose a font that you want to use. It's not necessarily you use the fonts that I have. You can upload your own font, or you can choose from their library of fonts that they have. Let's select this Baba Chop, and we're going to click on Baba Chop, and you see it begins to take effect. If we want that text to have outline, we will leave this checked up, but if you don't want it to have any outline, we can uncheck that. You can choose the color of your outline and the thickness your outline is going to have. So I just want to take down that thickness to 5, and once you're happy with everything, you click on add to design, and our text has added beautifully into our design. I'm going to click on this texture we used, and I'm going to delete, and you can see your text beautifully with the texture.